Hey guys, today I have the Viken Rain shower head with the handheld option. I just wanted to do a little unboxing with you. I went ahead and purchased the matte black just because I figured it would be more aesthetically pleasing, but I guess we will check it out as we go. Instantly, right off the bat, it does come with just the instructions on how to open and install it. And then overall, this is just the actual main spout in itself. It's very beautiful, I will say, just right off the bat. Just going right into the main unboxing, it just has all the other added parts. This is going to be the handheld option. This as well is actually very pretty. Here's just the hose that will connect both of the spouts. And this right here is just for the handheld spout to be set in, just to keep it nice and tidy up on the wall. You'll just peel this piece off and it will stick to really anything. And this is just the main spout. There's a couple options on here. You can switch this thing around to just use the main shower head, or switch it around just to use the handheld option. Or, of course, you can have both. So that's really cool. And then these right here are just to tighten and set in place with the actual spout in itself. So you can move it around, do what you got to do. Guys, that's basically it for the unboxing. It's very self-explanatory, not a lot of things that you have to pay attention or look at. And like I said earlier, it's very easy to put together. So I'm going to go do that right now. I would rate this one probably a 10 out of 10. I really just love the black finish on it. I think that actually makes it look even nicer than the original silver that I purchased. So I might even be going and getting another black one to match. So far, I am very impressed with this one, and I can't wait to use it.